Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala kusasa bayodlala against iTTM iTshakuma Tjamatibandila. Abayikhumbulayo bafethu iTTM bayikhumbula seke yayiwina vele le cup before okuyi-Nedbank Cup. So bayodlala ne-Orlando Pirates okuyi-team eshisa iyikhotha ngempela. So kuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu le for iTTM and kuzobe kuyigame ebaluleke kakhulu le for i-Orlando Pirates. Remember ke Ara Soweto Giants baphumile kulomncintiswano lo ade bekuyi-final last season la bashaye khona i-Orlando Pirates. Bekhishwa iSteelers ngo-2-1 ilapho khona ke sobona Orlando Pirates njengamanje ukuthi ingabe izokwazi ukuthi ihambe izifike kwifinal isithathe isicoco ngoba phela ayisekho i-team eyayishaya la season okuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. So ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami bafethu, ungangitshela wena eyakho i-lineup prediction ma comments. Ungayigxeke yami but ke ungitshele eyakho. Remember ke bafethu iTTM le team esiyodlala nayo akusiyona i-team edlala kwisigaba esiphezulu sebhola la eSouth Africa. Yabo abadlali kwisigaba esiphezulu yes akumele ke kodwa sibadelele njengoba bengadlali kwisigaba esiphezulu. So i-lineup engizoyikhetha laba bafethu khona kunabadlali ekumele siba rest because there are some league games Orlando Pirates eyowadlala. Remember the following match after le match le Orlando Pirates kumele iyodlala neMarumo Gallants. After that Orlando Pirates iyodlala nani neMamelodi Sundowns. After that there is a Soweto derby. So uFebruary unzima kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. So lama games lawo kumele siwabale and lama games kumele siwa approach with caution. So first and foremost, i-goalkeeping position, I will start lapha bafethu uButhelezi. I think uButhelezi uyadeserve ukuthi ayiqale le game le. Remember uButhelezi wasikhombisa ngosikhathi sidlala kwi-calling knockout uthi ugoalkeeper okahle umjida ongamthemba uma sizodlala ama-fixtures akanje. Yabo, I'm not saying this is a throwaway fixture, but it is an important fixture for Orlando Pirates because this is the first game of the tournament okuyi-Nedbank Cup. Yabo, kumele siyenze imark yethu kule game le. I don't think le team esodlala nayo izosinikeza inkinga ngaleyo ndlela because kunabo abadlali Orlando Pirates ibench Orlando Pirates liqinile. The first 11 and the second team iqinile ingakwazi ukuthi sibuyele no 3 points just like we saw with calling knockouts. Mase uthi lapha kwi center back pairing. Kwi center back pairing I know we might see uSesane kusasa starting with uBhodlela. Yabo, we might see uSesane starting with uBhodlela but again remember guys there is an exceptional player we signed from iMarumo Gallants okubani okuMpho Tshabatsane. I really need to see this guy. I want to see this guy playing for Orlando Pirates. Ngifuna umbona ukuthi kanjani umjida ebholeni ingabe umnandi ngempela and for kule game kanje I think kumele simqalise noma mhlambi ka athole igame time second half. Yabo, you can tell me in the comments but again yena belo speed I think for me bangayiqala igame le. Remember phela uSiyema uyitholile i-yellow card last game so le game lingiyaza kwa ukuthi abe khona umjida sizombona nje ehleli kuma stands. So wena ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi i-center back pairing yakho ingaba kanjani. For me Mpho Tshabatsane and uSibisi iwona ama center backs engawaqalisa mina. These are the center backs I would start against iTTM. Ukuthi kuma wing backs ngaqalisa bani na ngingaqalisa bani uVan Rooyen ngiphinde ngiqalise bani ngiqalise uDion Hotto. I'll start uVan Rooyen but uDion Hotto. I know Dion Hotto is a big game star. Yabo, he's a star player. We need him in big games. But ke umjida so far bengayithola kakhulu game time. Yabo, bekulo ikudlala umbatha kakhulu. I feel like nayo umjida kumele adlale more games. Yabo, kumele simfeatureishe kuma games amaningi umjida khona ezoba nayo leyo nto leyo. Ezoba nayo game time, ezoba naso stamina because siyamdinga ngama big games. Njengoba simdinga nje ngama big games asikwazi sim-introduce kuma big games umjida eleka i-game time. Yabo, umjida eni-rust. No, simdinga fully fit. Same as uVan Rooyen. You can see uVan Rooyen usathana kubuya kwi-injury. You can see indlela adlala ngakhona akasinikezi lento esiyijwayele. Yabo, so uyayidinga ngempela i-first team 11. I-match fitness njalo uyayidinga ngempela umjida i-match fitness. Yabo, so mina ngamqalisa umjida uVan Rooyen with uDion Hotto. Abajida bowu-2 ngingabaqalisa kule game le. So uyayibona ke i-back 4 iqine kanjani for a game like iTTM. Igame nje soyidlala iTTM mele yazi ukuthi hayi ngoba nje ibizwa iTTM asiyithathi kancane siyayirespect ngokwami ukuyirespecta kwami lokho. Ngiyaqala ngiya-experiment yabo, singiyaqala ngiya-experiment lapha kunaba 6 ngaqalisa abafethu uMareko. I feel like uMareko uyadeserve umjida uthi ayiqale le game le simbonile. Sihle simbona umjida introducewa ucoach uyakwazi ukuthi araise isandla sakhe adlale kahle umjida. For me uyadeserve ukuyiqala le game le. Yabo, ngihlalise nje kancane makhehleni makhawula ebenchini umjida athi ukuresta kancane sathanda kumthola usathanda kubuya. So angimele simdlalisa ama games amaningi because so lahlekelwe uyena kanti maningi ama games abalekile azayo. Njoba nje emaningi ama games abalekile azayo makhehleni makhawula akusiyena umdlalo ongareska ngayo umqalise ama games anje ngo TTM. Yebo, abadlali abaningi laphana banokudlala rough. Yabo abadlali abaningi abasuwale kulama divisions asezansi banokudlala rough bangaslimazela umdlalo njengoMakhehleni Makhawula. So you have to keep uMakhehleni Makhawula safe and play umdlalo njengoMariko ozokwazi adlale kahle asize team iwine abe defensive umjida lapha. Ngiyamthanda kuMariko unako ukudlala as number 8 sometimes. Yabo uyaya abe yileyo box to box player sometimes but ke yena uyakwazi abuye emuva azoba defensive. Ngiyayithanda indlela adlala khona umjida. So I will trust him to play as number 6 for Orlando Pirates against iTTM. Masukuthi ke abadlali abazodlala phambili kwakhe, I know this is a stretch. I know ukuthi ngenzeka angaqala ibani uba lo mjida lo uselephe. Yabo I know ngenzeka angaqala uselephe but ke mina ngokwami bafethu. Yabo ngokwami I think uya deserve umjida ukuthi aqale usilephe. Ade sagcina ukumbona same as uTeto Maswanganye. Obvious angifuna ukukhuluma uTeto. uTeto uzoyiqala le game. Sasa uTeto uyodlala igame yakhe is 100 for Orlando Pirates. He will make his 100th appearance for Orlando Pirates. So it's a must for coach Abdeslam Wadu to play uTeto Maswanganye kwigame yakusasa. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngawo uTeto bafethu Nyamazi. He's that guy. Kusasa vele uzokora. Ngiyazazi inkinga. Ubuya nje nezinkinga uTeto mfethu. Kusasa uyoshaya nje i-head trick. Yabo. So ngiskeptical kakhulu lapha ka number 8. Yes bengamqalisa uNomtajela but ke I think we need to give mfana omncane bafethu ama minutes bafethu uSlepe. Yabo. Kade sagcina ukumbona uSlepe kwenzakalani ngoSlepe for me umjida kumele abe introduced. Ucoach mfethu kumele alenze iqiniso ehlesi imbone Jima with team but ke asimboni edlala. Where is uSlepe? But ke ucoach ngenzeka le game le avela iqinele afake his first 11 his first team players because we saw abajida beyojima lapha eSugar Ray Xulu. Yabo ade beyojima abajida i-team ifike yonke bafethu niyibonile i-team iphelele. So kungenzeka adlalise the first team but ke nyamaza ucoach. Yabo nyamaza ucoach bafethu but ke mase siza kuma forwards zethu kuma forwards again kuma forwards ngamqalisa umsendami umdlalo omusho sathana kufika kuOrlando Pirates umjida kumele simbone ukuthi usiphathelini. A game like this is a perfect opportunity for umjida ukuthi ayibambe ngesandla zothula igame le akwazi usayi-introduce kuma fans Orlando Pirates. There are some fans amthatha kancane umjida so igame kanje kumjida kumele ayiphakamise athi now I'm a big player. I'm a player who can do something for Orlando Pirates. I want to be the next superstar for Orlando Pirates. Mela phamise isandla. So I'll start umsendami as a right winger. Masuthi ka left ngifake bani ma ngifake umjida uMorem. Yabo iyona ke wingers. Iwona ama wingers lawa engawadlalisa mina kule game leso idlala against iTTM. Masukuthi forward. The number 9, the player that I will trust ukuthi adeliver lapha phambili amagoli okubani uDion. Yabo I know umjida asesona striker but ke I will trust him to play as a false 9 against the TTM. I want to see more of uDion. Yabo I want to see more of uDion. Maybe uDion ngumdrop lapha is a striker umdlalise as number 10 masuthatha uTito umdlalise as i-left winger masuthatha uMorem umdlalise as right. Yabo uthi phambili ufake bani uRadio Pane noma ufake uMbothuma. That's a perfect team right there. Wena ungangitshela ngokwakho ilineup yakhe ingaba njani but ke naye ilineup mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba uma nje wasiyodlala nje against iTTM.